Okay, this is just a quick explanation of what a radian is. So a radian is the measure of the central angle that contains an arc that is the same length as the radius. So here, this little circle with a line through it, that's theta. Angle theta there contains our arc between its two endpoints. So it's kind of like the angle is a mouth, and what's inside the mouth is what it contains. So angle theta is containing that arc, and so then that angle theta is 1 radian if the arc length that it contains is the same length as the radius. So when we mark them as being equal, it's kind of like it makes an equilateral triangle. So we can make a side going across, but what happens on the side of that triangle, it's not quite equilateral because of the arc. Because the length is the same, but it's curved, then that straight line, which is called a chord, that chord isn't going to be quite as long as the arc length, which means it's not quite equilateral. So that angle theta is 1 radian. 1 radian isn't quite going to be 60 degrees. So if it was an equilateral triangle, I know theta would be 60, but because it's not as long because of the curve, then I know 1 radian is probably like 58, 59 degrees.